Who's in such a hurry to launch a ship just after building its bow? It's known as the ugliest ship in the world. However, it's actually a complete vessel crafted by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries for Norway, a triangular seismic exploration ship, and one of the most uniquely designed vessels. Why abandon the body and stern of such a fine ship? It's due to its working nature. The open-style aft deck design allows for as many as 24 high-tech cables, each extending up to 12 kilometers, facilitating broader data collection. Furthermore, it's equipped with a new diesel-electric propulsion system that won't interfere with seismic data recording during operation. At the stern, there's also a workboat for cable maintenance and keeping an eye on other nearby vessels. After all, while a 12-kilometer cable may not be priceless, it certainly holds considerable value. This kind of vessel costs around $300 million to build, requiring 6,000 tons of fuel for each exploration. Despite the massive fuel consumption, it's said that during seismic monitoring, it may also explore oil and gas reserves on the seabed. Perhaps that's its primary purpose.